subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you have an unexpected error when you're using Facebook, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to try, it's just try to close your app and open again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again, and if you use mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install the latest updates for your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Facebook. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.